So guys, it's our 99 Honda Civic EX right here, 1.6 liter, and we're gonna do the O-ring for it. Obviously you can see we have a bit of an oil leak. It's a little moist down here. From the top is good, but look at all that gunk down there. That's basically what we're gonna prevent, and that's our task for today. Over here, if you take a look, this is the tools we're gonna need. And this is the little piece that's all. Shout out to Fantro Form for the part. Look at that. And that's gonna stop an oil leak. First, the task is take these 3 bolts off. 2, and this 3rd one back here. And that's what's stopping you from taking off this right here, distributor.
Pop it. As you can see,
It was a little hard, but not too hard. It shouldn't be too hard. Just a little break. And the 3rd one over here, the one with the most gunk right here. Okay. A little break, you hear that? Dang, this one's dirty. Once you get a little loose, you can do it by hand, but as you can see, not yet. Hold up. First bolt out. Get all that gunk. There you go. Second one out.
The carro's ready, way.
Yep, car's ready.
what is that?
3rd one. 3rd one's out. There you go. And that should be able to just pop off just by pulling on it. So let's see what happens when we give it a little tug. There it is. Popped off like that. And as you can see, there's the little O-ring that we're gonna replace right here.
With the new one.
And it's only $450 something.
Alright. It may help to pull these out a little bit, but you don't necessarily have to. Just as long as you get it right here. But you see all this right here is where it's leaks. This is one of the main problems of a Honda Civic. 92 to even 2000s, and yeah, this was a common problem. So all you got to do is replace this right here. You see how hard it is? It's supposed to be a little more bendy, you know, more like a seal, more rubbery. All right, let's just go ahead and rip this one off. There's no reason to be delicate. So,
Out of this way.
knife down.
Here, drop, cut down. Don't up, down. Put it here. Así, mételo. Yep. Cut it.
Being a little difficult.
There you go. Pull the fuck out of it. Pull it. Put it up.
Oh, there it is.
That bitch went flying.
All right.
Well, it's
Well,
gone. Well, I will show you it, but
we got the old one off. Fuck it. It's okay.
okay. Old one compared to the new one. And be careful not to spin any of the things. Make sure everything stays intact.
And a quick note, before putting it installed, it would probably be best to go ahead and clean up all the excess oil. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now.
Mhm.
Just a heads up, guys. Follow us. We're about to start posting more car meet stuff related.
Basically, y'all car people out
You
there.
guys are not ready for Nacho the...
My man over here. It's my boy Nacho
Yeah.
over here. If you fancy us.
Alright, so it's
Same
not
way.
the best job of cleaning, but it's okay. It's gonna work.
It'll do. So, same way we put it on, and the same way we took it off is the same way we can put it on.
You gotta make sure also these two keys match inside of there. So you see there's a special key fitment. You gotta go ahead and match the pattern there. It should only go in one way because I believe that's just the way it's designed. So it's gonna pop in.
There it is, clicked in,
Clicked in.
and we're good right there. You see? Just put in the bolts and we're good.
Alright everybody, and a quick reminder before you do this, I'm sorry I should have added this and I will edit it. Before you do it, we went ahead and I don't know if you can see, we made a scratch mark and we lined it up. That is going to be a timing mark. That is so that you can get your timing back in place when taking this off the distributor, and so you don't have any idling problems, high-end problems, anything. Alright, so now we just tighten them up and let's get to it.
Now you don't want to tighten them too tight because you don't want to risk breaking or stripping any bolts and make your job harder than what it needs to be.
Just a nice snug fit.
It's a little snug. And we're good like that. Last but not least, right there. Well guys, alright guys, this is my video on how to change the distributor seal, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button, I really appreciate it, and I hope this helps you guys out at home a lot.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.